afternoon. Today, the Supreme Court gave the Trump administration even more power to strip humanitarian protections from people who could not safely return to their countries. This ruling immediately threatens temporary protected status, TPS, holders from Haiti and Syria. But it will not stop there. We know Donald Trump. He has ordered the termination of every TPS designation that has come up for renewal. That's 13 countries. That is not a careful evaluation of conditions on the ground. It's a coordinated campaign to rip legal protections away from immigrant families. When hundreds and thousands of people have work authorizations, businesses lose workers. School teachers and schools will be lost. Hospitals lose caregivers. American children risk losing their parents. Today, it's Haitians and Syrians. Tomorrow, it could be any one of our TPS communities, our families, our neighbors.
It is shameful what the Supreme Court did today. The Supreme Court's decision puts more than 350,000 TPS holders at risk of deportation. Their TPS will be terminated not because of the conditions that made immigrants seek refuge in our country have changed in any way. It's because they do not fit Trump and Miller's idea of who deserves to be safe, who has the right to dignity, and who gets to be an American. You and I know that is unacceptable. We must unleash our collective outrage. We must demand better of our country and its leaders, and we must turn up the volume in the streets, in the courts, and in Congress. Because today is a moment to stand up and to fight back. State Representative, Congresswoman Laura Gillen.
Haitian TPS recipients are part of the very fabric of our daily lives and pillars of our economy and our faith communities. They are a fundamental part of our vibrant identity on Long Island, and I'm committed to standing up for their safety and their security. This fight is not over. Okay. Congressman Vargas.
Thank you. Today's Supreme Court decision to terminate TPS for Haiti and Syria is a total betrayal of our nation's commitment and values. This is no longer a Supreme Court. This is a rubber stamp. That's all it is. It's a rubber stamp for this crooked president. Hundreds of thousands of people who hold legal status registered with the government. They trusted the process. Now they face being torn from their families and sent back to very dangerous conditions. Nothing about this decision makes us safer or stronger. It's just plain cruel.
Thank you. I want to thank Juan Vargas from California. Families should have certainty. That's what Democrats have advocated for, the certainty that TPS is there and that TPS matters. And to have a president who can unilaterally change the rules as he goes is shameful and awful. And Democrats will continue to step up and speak out and lead with legislation to ensure that individuals with TPS status have the certainty and security that they deserve to live in our communities.
Thank you, Pete. Thank you to Sylvia. Thank you to all of our... We have not stood for it the entirety of this administration. We will not stand for it today. We will not stand for it moving forward. We'll continue to fight. Continue to fight, not just for our neighbors, but continue to fight for what this country has and must continue to be, a beacon of hope for people across the globe. And Melanie Stansberry.
Today, the Supreme Court sent a blow to the community, to all immigrants, but we stand firm, undeterred, strong to let the community know and all immigrants know that we will not be defeated. Yes, today hurts, but we will continue to fight on behalf of the 1.3 million TPS holders from 17 countries. Today, it is Haiti and Syria. Tomorrow is Venezuela, Nicaragua, and others. So together, we say no to injustice, and we must make sure that we as a country stand on the right side of history.
Thank you very much, Congressman. Many of the TPS recipients have lived in the United States for years. They have raised their families, paid taxes, and started businesses, contributing to our communities. This is not right. It is not fair. Today, the Haitians and Syrians. Tomorrow, who's next? Where will the Supreme Court go? Where will this administration go to ignore those people who have helped build America? It's in our history.